Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful house while we learn Spanish. We draw the roof. Roof in Spanish is tejado. Let's go to the door. That in Spanish is said, PUERTA. These are the windows. That in Spanish is said, VENTANAS. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we draw the chimney. Chimney in Spanish is CHIMENEA. We draw the sun. That is said, sol. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say house in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with orange. That is said, naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's go with the blue color. That in Spanish is said, AZUL. Now we use the gray color, which in Spanish is GRIS. We use light brown. That in Spanish is said, MARRÓN CLARO. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's see if you know the answer. House in Spanish is CASA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.